श्यामलावार्तालिबाला समेत श्रीललिताम्बिकायै नमः। श्रीगुरुभ्यो नमः। वीरगोष्ठीप्रिया वीरा नैष्कर्म्या नादरूपिणी विज्ञानकलना कल्या विदग्धा बहिन्दवासना। नादरूपिणी. I think Nadarupa had already come, like Narayani Nadarupa, Namarupa, Vivarjita. So she is Nadarupini. So the Nada, so she is in the form of Nada. And what is Nada? Nada is the source of sound. So Matrika Rupini. So Para Pratyakshiti Rupa Pashyanti Paradevata Madhyama Vaikari Rupa Bhaktamanasa Hamsika. So Para Pashyanti Madhyama Vaikari are the different stages of speech formation. So you have subtle sound, which is Para, Pashyanti, Madhyama, and Vaikari. Para is at the Mooladhara, Pashyanti is at the heart level, Madhyama is at the throat level, and then Vaikari is the actual speech that comes out of the mouth, or the gross form of speech. So the origin of Vaikari, or the speech, is the Nada that comes within. So in the Anahata Chakra, Anahata Chakra, there is the sound that is generated without being struck. So Moola Prakritir Avyakta, Vyakta Avyakta Swarupini, Vyapini Vividakara, Vidya Avidya Swarupini. So from Moola Prakriti came Avyakta, from Avyakta came Vyakta. So between Avyakta and Vyakta is the Nada stage. So in terms of dissolution of the Pancha Bhutas, for example, the reverse process will involve Nada. So the Pranava mantra, which is the Omkara Tattva, you see the Omkara, Akara, Ukara, Makara, and then you got the Nada and the Bindu. So she is in that form, Nada Rupini. So the Prapancha, you have Shabda Prapancha and Drishya Prapancha. So Drishya Prapancha is the Brahmanda Tattvas that you see, whereas the Shabda Prapancha is the Varnas, Mantras, Shabdas. That is Shabda Prapancha. And the Shabda Prapancha originates from the Nada Rupini. Vijnana Kalana. What is Vijnana? Vijnana is the Vidya. Chaturdasa, 14 types of Vidyas, and then the Shastras. So the 4 Vedas, Puranas, Mimamsa, Nyaya Shastra, all these are classed as Vijnana. Vijnana Kalana. So in other words, this is referring to the Jnana Swarupini here. Jnana Swarupini. So Veera Goshti Priya Veera Naiskarmya Nadarupini Vijnana Kalana. So that Vijnana, or the science, or the Vidya, or the Shastras, is the basis for the creation. So the intellect, or the natural instinct that is there in all living beings, right? So birds, there is a natural intellect or instinct within the birds that one can observe. Similarly, fish has got its own intellect or instinct to live in a certain way. So that Vijnana within all the living beings is the Vijnana Kalana Shakti within the Srishti. Vijnana Kalana Kalya. What is Kalya? Kalya is there are different meanings for Kalya. So Kalasu Sadhu iti Kalyaha. Kala is Vidya. So Kalya is a meaning for skill, somebody who is skillful or who has got the Dakshata. Dakshata is this. So Dakshata is Samartata. Samartata to create. That is Kalya. The other meaning of Kalya is the Ushakala or the Brahmi Muhurta before sunrise, which is the ideal time to worship, because she is the Prabhata Rupini. Prabhata Rupini. And Kalya is also, and the Prabhata Rupini. So during Brahmi Muhurta, the 48 minutes before the sunrise is called the Brahmi Muhurtam. So that's the most important time or ideal time for worship. And Rogarahita Sthiti, Niroga Sthiti, one is offered that by the Surya during worship during this Brahmi Muhurta. Kalya. Vidagda. Vidagda. Vidagda essentially refers to the fact that she is skillful in creating and running the prapancha, Srishti Sthiti Layam. Vidagda also means that she is the skill or the intellect in all the living beings. So all that natural inborn instincts that is there in all of us, she is Vidagda, in the form of Vidagda. So these set of names, Vijnana Kalana Kalya Vidagda, are essentially referring to the Srishti Karaka Shakti of Devi Lalitambika. With the last name in that series is Bhaindavasana. Bhaindava Asana. What is Bhaindava? One who has made Bindu as our asana is Bhaindavasana. Where is the Bindu? The Bindu is in Sri Chakra. The Bindu is the centralmost center point from which the 8 other avaranas bloom or come out from that Bindu. And she is there. The Mahatripura Sundari is in that Bindu. So that is Bhaindava Asana. And in Bhaindava Asana, on the Bindusthana, she is Shiva Shakti Aikya Rupini. Shiva Kameshwar Ankastha. So the Shiva and Shakti both are within that Bindu. So Shakti is Bindu, Shiva is the Trikona, right? And Sri Chakra is formed of Bindus and Trikonas. Bhaindava Asana. So within so one meaning is that the Sri Chakra is also called as Bhaindava Chakra, and within that Bhaindava Chakra she is in the central point, which is the Bindu. So all other 8 avaranas arise as waves from that central Bindu. So within the human body, the Sahasrara Chakra at the top of the crown or the head is the is the Baindava asana. So that's where she is, Shiva Shakti Aikya Rupini. And Brahmarandra is through which the Mukhya Prana enters the human body. The exit is also through Brahmarandra in the selected souls. Baindava asana. Veeragoshti Priya Veera Naiskarmya Nada Rupini Vignana Kalana Kalya Vidagda Baindavasana. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha.